Warren Buffett has this quote. It's not about how fast you row the boat, it's the actual boat that you're in. So it's not about how fast you paddle, but it's the boat you're in. So basically, it's like, are you in a bad model? Let's take away actual employees out of the equation. So if you're in this and you realize you're a business owner, there's like three models I would say that you could fall in, which is captive, an MLM style, and then completely independent. MLMs are independent, but the difference I would say when we're talking about MLMs is they have a high, heavy focus on recruiting, and that's how you get yourself out of the business. Whereas when I say independent, you have a high, heavy focus on doing business and writing policies, and you really actually want to do it with less people than more people. And typically, you're hiring those people on as employees, not recruiting them as 1099 downlines. So to me, I would say that like the MLM is probably the hardest. You are given exact steps, but again, if you don't have that natural high charisma and high grit, then I think it's going to be tough. The captive, I think, becomes really tough as well too, because they treat you and brainwash you into thinking that you're an employee, and then you oftentimes don't have the control that really you deserve because you got your own license. You're a 1099. If you're a captive that's a 1099, which most of them are, you have a license. You should be able to advertise. You should be able to market yourself however you want, but oftentimes you don't get to do that. The one thing I would say about captives, where I think it could be a good place to start, I've almost never seen a captive have as high as a potential as a independent that has full control over everything.